Good morning, students. We are going to continue tense. Today we start past perfect tense. Past perfect tense used for first action. In the past times, two action will finish. And for first action in the past perfect used. Example, I had reached the school before the bell rang. I had reached the school before the bell rang. Two action happen in past. I reach school, reach and ring. First action, I reach school. So for first action, past perfect. Past perfect structure is had plus V3. Past perfect had plus V3. I had reached the school before the bell rang. And second action is simple past, means V2. Bell ring, not ring, rang. Second example, he reached the station after the train had started. Two actions happen in past. For first action, first train started, so it will be made in past perfect. And he reached after, so it will be made past simple. Example, he reached the station after. He reached the station after. It is second action, so simple past, reached. The train had started. First action, train started, so it is past perfect. The train had started. Now, rule number 2. Use number 2. Unfulfilled desire, situation, condition in the past. About past times, condition, desire or situation we will discuss. But those were not completed. Those were unfulfilled. Example, I wish, it is desire, past desire. I wish I had been, had plus V3, past perfect. I had been born in 1857. I wish I had been born in 1857. But it did not happen so. I wish I had been born in 1857. It is only my wish, but it did not happen so. Another example, he talks as if he had returned from America. If any person have got so many information of the country America, and he talks so much about that he has really come from America, then we can say no, really he has not come from America. He has only got information. What will we say about that? We will say he talks as if he had come. He had come, past perfect. Had come or returned. He had returned from America. It means that reality is that he has not returned from America. He has only collected some information of that country and talking about those information only. Another example, if you had worked hard. Condition. Condition. If you had, past perfect, if you had worked hard. And second part, you would have. Second part is would have plus V3. You would have succeeded. You would have succeeded. But it did not happen. It did not happen. In reality, you did not work hard, so you failed. When somebody failed, then I can say, if you had worked hard, you would have succeeded, but did not complete the action. He did not work hard and so did not succeed. So past condition not fulfilled. Now use number 3. Hope, expect, think, mean, intend, suppose, want. These words will come in the sentence. These words will come in the sentence. And it will indicate unfulfilled action if we use past perfect. In past perfect tense, we shall use the words hope, expect, think, mean, intend, suppose, want. We will use past perfect using these words, then it will indicate unfulfilled action. Unfulfilled, not fulfilled. For example, I say, I hoped that he would come. I hoped, it is past simple. The difference, when it will be used, these words will be used in past perfect, it will indicate unfulfilled, unfinished action. But when these words will be used in past simple, then it will be fulfilled action. Example, I say, first I say past perfect, I had hoped that he would come. I had hoped, past perfect, unfulfilled. I had hoped that he would come, but in reality he did not come. Only my hope was he would, but he did not come, unfulfilled. But if we say this word using past simple, then it will be fulfilled. Example, I hoped that he would come. I hoped, simple past, I hoped that he would come, and it is fulfilled. It means I hoped and he really came. If you use past simple, then it indicates fulfilled action. And if you use past perfect, then it indicates unfulfilled action. These words, when these words used in past simple, it indicates complete action, fulfilled. And if these words you use in past perfect, it indicates unfulfilled action. I hoped that he would come means he really came. And if I say I had hoped that he would come means he did not come. Another example, I thought that I would succeed. I thought that I would succeed. It means I really succeeded. And if we say in past perfect, I had thought that I would succeed. I had thought means unfulfilled. It means I did not succeed. Simple past will indicate fulfilled action and past perfect will indicate unfulfilled action. So you must be careful. If you use these words for simple past for fulfilled action, then use in simple past. And if you use these words for incomplete action, unfulfilled action, then use these words in past perfect. Clear? So that's all, students, for today. Thank you.